video. My name is Infinity. If you don't know me already, I am the voice and the face behind the camera. I do crochet videos here on YouTube, and today I just wanted to tell you guys some great news. First off, I was able to get my full HD camera. It is a Nikon camera, and I'm super excited for that. So that's going to be a thing in the future, the near future. It should be here on my birthday, which is next Friday, November the 16th. Um, I am hyped over the camera by itself. That's going to make my whole day. I look forward to being able to do more intricate patterns for you guys, having a wider scope, because going back looking at my older videos, I realized that oops, I'm working off camera. Oh no. So I can finally stop using my poor, much loved cell phone for all my videos. I very much so look forward to that. And with that, later on, once I get things rolling, I want to start doing giveaways. I thought that, it'd be a good idea to implement some tiers like Patreon uses or like Kickstarter uses to try to kind of help cushion some of these startup costs. So with that, I want to say per 10% of my goal reached, I will start issuing out a giveaway. So far, I've hashed out a couple things. For example, there's going to be like 2 winners per round, and the winners will be selected by name generator. And you guys will be getting some really awesome crochet supplies, some stuff that I wish I would have known about when I first got off into the craft. So that's going to be cool stuff. The rest of the details on that I am hashing out right now. I'm making a PDF file so that it can go into a Google Doc for the time being, and it can be on public display for everybody to see. I totally believe in transparency. Along with that, I'm also working on do I want to say the business plan? I have the business plan. I'm working on the financial estimates for the startup business. A lot of my own funding, of course, is going into my own business because you have to spend to make, so that's okay. Just, little stuff like that. Then also potentially sometime within, I want to say, the first 4 months of 2019, I expect to have filed for my business, papers, so I can actually legally run my business. And I also look forward to purchasing my domain and having my website up and going, so you guys can kind of keep up with everything else that I've been updating and working behind the scenes for the past, my gosh, all year. So I look forward to those things coming up, and I hope you guys will too. So thanks for tuning in with me on this quick video, and I will craft with you guys later. Happy making.